Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. It is Friday the 13th. Fridays mean that it is my husband and I's date night. So I usually, you know what, actually we really haven't been doing much of a date night lately. And I'm gonna get caked up. This face right here is getting caked the up. I have the new Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. So I want to try this out. And if you would like to see me get this makeup on my face, I think keep on watching. I'm all over the place. I cannot think today. I'm just like, even in my last video, I felt like I was all over the place just because we've been traveling so much and I really haven't been feeling too good. I think I caught something from camping the past couple times we've camped or whatnot, to where I've just been so exhausted and like wanting to take naps. I cannot talk, see what's going on, and take naps during the day. Like, I'm a mess. Wish me luck with my makeup. So I'm going to start with the Cover FX Blurring Primer. I've been loving this stuff. I think it does its job. And see, I'm starting with my face today. I never start on my face. I always start on my eyes. Oh boy, I need a drink. I don't really plan on doing anything too crazy with my eyes, just because we're just going to dinner and then going to see the new Jurassic Park movie. Fun fact about me, I love dinosaurs. I don't know what it is. I've always just been intrigued by the whole dinosaur thing. I love it. I love all the Jurassic Park movies. I hope it's as good as everybody is saying, because I will be really disappointed. One thing I can say, since I have not really worn makeup in 2 to 3 weeks, like a full face of makeup, my skin is looking fabulous. And then I'm gonna go in with my trusty Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. I'm getting a spray tan tomorrow, so I am my normal self right now. And actually, you know what? I ain't even mad at it. I sometimes miss being pale and embracing myself being pale with freckles, because I see all these people trying to do them fake freckles and faux freckles, getting freckles tattooed on them. That's just crazy. That's a whole nother level. And I'm like, I'm sitting here trying to get dark and tan. I swear we are never happy with what we have. You always want what you don't have. For foundation, wow, that's a mess. For foundation, I'm gonna use the Maybelline 24-Hour foundation. This is in the shade 112 Natural Ivy. It's the lightest shade I have, so I think it'll match. Spray my Real Technique sponge with my Mario Badescu Aloe, Cucumber, and Green Tea Spray. That's what the Instagram girls do. I've always wanted to do this, so I never feel like I do it. They always do the... I'm gonna get it on my pants. I'm wearing white pants. Is anybody superstitious about Friday the 13th? I personally am not. Another fun fact. I used to do, I don't know, God, how many years ago was that? Probably like 5 years ago. I used to do horror movies, and for like independent films and stuff, you know, I used to get my actress on back in the day. And I did a Friday the 13th with somebody I went to high school with. He does independent films, and that was really, really fun. We had a lot of fun doing that. He also did a movie for Halloween, Michael Myers and all that, and I played Laurie. So that was fun, just doing that kind of stuff as a hobby on the side. I also did some background extra work. I was background or an extra on the set of The Last Witch Hunter, which was pretty cool, with Vin Diesel and what is Leslie Rose? Is that her name? Rose Leslie from Game of Thrones, yeah. I was on set for that for like 12 hours. It was cool though. We shot till like, I think it was 3 in the morning in Pittsburgh. It was a long day and long night, but it was cool. Vin Diesel was cool. He came up and like was, thanks for staying so late, blah, blah, blah. He was nice as hell. It was just a really, really cool experience. I also was an extra on the set of a movie that was filmed in Cincinnati with Jessica Biel in it. I cannot think of the name off the top of my head. But yeah, I've done some extra acting work and stuff. It just takes a lot of time. And with me having to do breathing treatments every 3 to 4 hours, I'm like dead to the world after I get off set. So I haven't done that in a while, but I swear that acting bug never leaves. So now I'm going to try the Too Faced Born This Way new concealer. It looks like this. It's freaking huge compared to like a normal size concealer. This is 0.50 fluid ounces. I mean, this is big. This is going to last a while. I got the shade Swan, infused with coconut water to delicately replenish skin's moisture levels, alpine rose to brighten skin's appearance and promote elasticity, hyaluronic acid for a smoother, more youthful looking appearance. What is wrong? Appearance. I need that. So here we go. Okay, hydrating, long wearing, photo friendly, non-comedogenic. Get on my face. So I did read, it comes with like a little paper thing in here. Anyway, I read it earlier, and Jackie Aina was the one that kind of revamped the whole Too Faced brand with the foundations. I don't know if she had anything to do with the concealers, but it did say with this concealer to like put it on and then let it set for 30 seconds. And I think Jackie Aina is one, she's a YouTuber that is really big on putting concealer on and letting it set. So that's what I'm gonna do. Here is the doe foot applicator. That's big. I like that. I have not seen any reviews on this concealer. I just have seen people raving about it. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. So I really don't know how it's wore with other people. I don't like putting a lot of concealer on my forehead. Never have, just because I have a wrinkly forehead. So let's let this set for 30 seconds. All right, it's been 30 seconds. So let's get to blending. Wow, that coverage. Holy cajolies. Wow. Wow, that coverage. They were not lying. Wow. I'm going to be highlighted. That's faux show. Wow. That's crazy. That is some coverage. All right, Too Faced. Daggone. Now I'm going to set everything with the MAC and Patrick Star powder. I always feel like this powder pales me out, which I don't need that. So I always have to bring some color back to my face after I use this powder. Then I'm going to dust it all off with the MAC Studio Fix powder in NW22. And then what I like to do before I start on my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and set for the first time, because I'm going to end up setting twice with the Urban Decay Chill Makeup Setting Spray, just to kind of get everything to get soaked in there so I don't look so powdery. Now I'm going to jump in to the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. I haven't used this palette in a while, so I figured why not? Oh my god, I'm going to get this all over my pants. I'm going to go ahead and start with this shade right here, just to kind of just, why not? I'm going to jump in with this shade right here and just start to place that in my crease and on my eyelid. Very lightly. My husband actually is not a fan of a lot of makeup. He just likes me very natural looking. So I just won't do a lot with the eyes, but I did a lot with the face. Now I'm going to take this shade right here just with my finger and start placing that on the outer. I want to do that on the outer part of my, yeah, we'll just go ahead and put that on the outer corners. Bring it almost all the way in. Yeah, well, I'll just go ahead and put that all over the eye. You ever say you're going to do something and you completely change your mind? That's what just happened. Go in with this shade right here and just place that on my inner corners and the inner part of my eyelids. Nails are not helping in this situation. Then I'm also going to place some of that shade in my inner corners. I'm just going to take a little more of that pink shade we used and just place it a little bit over it, just so it all kind of blends together. I think I just realized that my tripod was all kinds of like crooked, and anyway, it's fixed now, so let's continue. Let's go in with this shade right here, and I'm going to blow out my lower lash line. Now I think what I want to do is do my brows and my lashes off camera, and then I'll come back and finish up with my face. The lashes I'm going to use today are the Ardell Double Wispies and Double Up Double Wispies. So I will be right back. Okay, I am back. I am so off today. I need a drink. Okay, so while my lashes are still drying, I'm going to go ahead and put on some mascara. I'm going to use the Benefit Roller Lash. I basically like to just coat my natural lashes because I can see them. They're basically stark white compared to my false lashes. So I just kind of take the mascara and coat those. Alright, now let's get some color on my face. I'm going to bronze with, don't you love when that happens? I'm going to bronze with the Benefit Hoola Bronzer. Then I like to just go back in with the stippling brush, really gently, just blend it out. Now for blush, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline. This is the Master Contour Kit. I just came back across this, cleaning some stuff out of my makeup drawers, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I've not used this in forever. And I love the blush color, so that's what I'm going to use today. Now for my highlights. I like the highlighter in this, but you know what? I'm going to start with this highlighter. It's very, very subtle, very natural, which really ain't bad. Yeah, very subtle. Do we want to do subtle? I think I'm going to pop a little bit of the Wet n Wild Precious Petals on. Just on the tops, just on my cheeks. Yes, okay, maybe a little bit everywhere. Whatever. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray with the Urban Decay All Nighter. No, Chill. The Chill, not All Nighter. Okay, we're going to bathe in it. We're bathing in it. I'm going to start with the Milani. This is the Matte Liquid Lip Cream in Adorable. And then I think I'm going to top it with a, this is what got me, because like my shirt, this pretty vulgar. This is My Lips Are Sealed and Secret Sabotage. This is a metallic lip gloss, but I'm like, I gotta use the flowers because I have a flower shirt on. Is this matte too? I feel like it's too dark. So I'm going to lighten it up with the Maybelline Hot Liquid Lacquer in Tease. Oh yeah, that's it. So this is it for this look. So far, I am liking this concealer. Let's see how it wears tonight, and I'll mention it and bring it back up in a future video, so keep a lookout for that to see what my final thoughts on it are. I hope you liked my little date night, subtle-esque eye full coverage look. I have no idea what I'm calling this video. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And I know I had a couple people actually message me and say, I clicked on the bell, but I haven't seen your videos in like 6 months. And my last one was the first one that popped up. It's because you have to hit that bell. Keep clicking on that bell until it gives you the always option, or you can click on the options. Because if you're only on the occasional notification, you'll only see a video every now and again, because YouTube is choosing to let you know what you would like to see instead of you choosing if you want to watch a video or not. So don't let YouTube make the decisions for you. Like, come on now, let's hit that always one. If you don't want to watch all my videos, you can choose not to, but at least you'll have the option to do so. I will see you guys on my next one. Thanks for watching.